Hello guys, I use my phone Vivo V20. This version 8GB RAM memory and 128GB Intel memory. Start unpacking. Open box, look completion. In completion we have key for SIM slot and protected back cover. Okay, device. Completion: adapter for charging, headphones and USB Type-C cable. Okay, good completion. And now talk about device. Back side glass and front side it's glass. And this plastic. On the back side triple camera LED, on the front side 6.4-inch display, front camera, talk speaker, on this side slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD cards for memory slot, right side power key, volume keys, downside USB Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Okay, turn on device, full HD display, AMOLED, this AMOLED display, full HD plus resolution, Android 11, about phone model V2025, Android 11, FunTouch OS 11, Snapdragon 720J, this CPU, look tests, test results, GPU Adreno 618, CPU test results and GPU test results. Start onto the benchmark, look onto the benchmark results. Okay, and open PUBG Mobile. Sorry, no PUBG Mobile, GTA San Andreas. Look how this game works on the device. Max graphic level, resume game. And game works good, very good, smooth. Okay, close this, and now I'll show you photos on the main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video.